Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin now by choosing a 1 to 3 liter alcoholic base like cider or wine. The starting alcohol must be 5 to 12% so acetobacter can work. Once chosen, pour it into a wide-mouth glass jar and add about 1/2 to 1 cup of active vinegar mother or raw unpasteurized vinegar. This supplies live bacteria. Make sure to cover the jar with a breathable cloth and secure it so oxygen can reach the surface. This drives the conversion to acetic acid. Once inoculated, you maintain a warm, stable environment around 20 to 30 degrees Celsius, away from direct sunlight but with steady airflow. Oxygen fuels the bacteria. Make sure to check every 3 to 5 days. You may see a jelly-like mother forming, leave it, or gently skim any unwanted surface film. Taste periodically for gradual tang development, not sharpness overnight. The process typically takes 3 to 8 weeks, and if you want more strength, allow the batch to continue fermenting for 2 months or longer. You finish by testing acidity, and when satisfied, strain the liquid through a fine sieve or cheesecloth to remove solids and excess mother fragments, then decant into clean bottles. Once done, you can pasteurize briefly at 60 to 70 degrees Celsius to halt activity, but make sure to cool before sealing. Unpasteurized vinegar will continue slowly maturing. If mold appears, discard the batch. If a slimy mother persists, skim it off or save it to start another jar and continue aging until clarity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.